Alright, here's what happened. There's a little black strip in the fold of this wire. Hopefully you can see, but if you get your phone, camera apart, you'll be able to see a little black strip in there. You need to fold that up out of the way when you go to pull out that wire. In my case, I just pulled it out and the little strip opened up. You need to fold that back down. That locks this wire in place and holds it tight. And now you can see how I got a screen. It's kind of clear. Alright, just reassemble.